What's up, you guys? Today we do have the Citroen DS3 behind me for a spring detail. It is very dirty inside because the lady has got a dog which goes over there all the time. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Guys, before we start with the video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel because I can see a lot of you is watching and you are not subscribers yet, so don't be shy and just do it. As you see, this vehicle came for the spring clean after the winter months and is covered in a lot of dirt, a lot of bird's poo, and if you look in the inside you can even see the sand from the last summer. So definitely it needs a good hoover before I start with anything else, like plastic trims, you know, the carpets, and especially the boot liner. It's covered in dog's hair as the owner drives a lot with her little doggy inside.
There's something in it that's so beautiful.
So as usual, the first step is always cleaning the wheels. I always do the pre-rinse wash first. After that I use bleeding rim or clean rim, anything like that. Products from various brands, I don't want to point out anything, but make sure you check and take the non-acidic one so it doesn't destroy your alloys. After that, when you spray, just leave it for about 40 seconds up to a minute. Brush the tires to get the dirt out of it. After that, soft brush as well to get to the end of the barrel, and a detail brush to get to the little spots which your meat can miss.
And when it unfolds, hard to see the light when everything is tight and waiting for the cleaning.
After the pre-rinse wash, this car looked so happy and the color popped already, so I've decided to put nice summery music in the video just to give you the vibe.
When I lose control, there's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light, but I can also see the bones again. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.
When the snow foam was lifted in the dirt nicely, I could go around the vehicle with my diesel brush and get to the usual hard to reach spots like badges, door seals, and of course the fuel cap as well. The way to get the boot liner and the carpets done was to take them out, put them on the table and just spend a lot of time with hoover and drill brush, but the results are quite satisfying, I have to say. As it was only a spring detail, no extractor was needed, but as you can see, the amount of stones, sand and everything in the boot or in the cab as well, it was just disgusting. Took quite a while to get everything done. The whole interior was treated with APC from Maguire's diluted 4:1 and my detail brush to go to every single spot. And you can see after that I was using the microfiber just to wipe everything off, and the second one to take all the residue from APC so you don't have any white stains and anything like that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Cleaning the seat covers was nice and easy, just using my soft brush for the leather and leather cleaner, and afterwards I did put some leather conditioner as well. I know they are leather red, but it always gives a little pop and shine in the end.
ladies and gentlemen,
After putting some aerospace 303 sealant on the interior plastic trims, it was the time for the last step of this detail, cleaning the windows and the edges of the windows as well, very important. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel, as more videos are coming every single week.
It didn't matter you were far from home, 'cause you were never really far from home. So if you ever feel like you might need